One small channel, 140,000 subscribers off just 78 uploads. Its biggest video alone crossed 1.1 million views. Another channel, barely 15 videos total, landed 1.5 million views on a single upload 2 months back. No animation background needed, no editing team, no camera, no face, nothing. We're talking slow-paced 3D cartoon story videos in English, and every single one is built entirely with AI. If you can put together a basic short story, you can build one of these. So this video is the full breakdown, idea to upload, the exact system start to finish, using free tools. Let's break it down. The engine behind this whole system is Anijam AI. Links down below. Picture it like Claude or ChatGPT, except built for animation. You talk to it and it handles everything downstream. Script, storyboard, characters, animation, voiceover, the full pipeline in one chat window. No render software to learn, no animation skills required. But here's the part that usually kills people before they even start: cost. Anijam removes that friction completely. Sign up and you're handed 500 free credits on the spot, then 100 more every single day just for showing up. So the barrier most creators expect simply isn't there, and it's not locked to desktop. Full mobile browser support plus a dedicated iOS app. Same system, same output, in your pocket. Once you're inside, you land on the dashboard where full animated stories get built. But before the system can do anything, it needs one input from you: a story. Anijam can generate story ideas by itself, but I don't start there. I run a separate step first. There's a prompt document linked below, free to grab. Drop it into Claude, hit generate, and within seconds you've got 20 ready-made story concepts sitting on screen. So you're never opening a blank page, you're choosing from a list. Pick the one with the sharpest angle, copy it, head back to Anijam, paste it into the input field, and hit the arrow button. The second you do, the workspace fires up. Agent is working appears at the top. That's the system already constructing your outline, live. On the right sits your chat panel, command center for the whole build. Type here to swap a character, rewrite a beat, adjust the plot. On the left, your production toolkit: AI image, AI video, lip sync, character voice, style presets. We'll get into each one. But first, question 1. Build mode. AI director mode renders the complete video with audio in a single pass. Workflow mode is the manual piece-by-piece route for advanced users. Oscar film mode is the premium cinematic tier. AI director mode, lock. Video model. You'll see a few: C-Dance 2.0, WAN 2.7, C-Dance 2.0. Lock it in. From there, a quick run of pics. Audience, all ages so the story stays open to the widest possible viewer pool. Platform, YouTube. Aspect ratio, 16:9, standard long-form frame. Audio mode, dialogue, because your characters need to actually speak to each other, not narrate over stills. Set your duration, confirm the batch. So your entire video is fully configured in under 2 minutes. Now watch what the system does with that setup. Anijam plays back your build, a 3D animated story, all ages, YouTube, dialogue-driven. Then asks how the story should feel: dialogue-driven or visual storytelling. Since our characters are talking, dialogue-driven wins. From here, the question shifts specifically to your story. Cast size, tone, character details, these change based on the idea you picked, so don't panic if your screen doesn't match this one. There's no wrong answer here. Just answer honestly and the system builds the rest around it. Next, visual style. A full menu of options sits in front of you. I'm going with Pixie Pop 3D, the clean, soft cartoon look driving most of the breakout hits in this space right now. Lock the style, hit Generate Concepts. The system builds every character and every scene image on its own. This takes a minute. Let it run. Cast built, scenes built. Now, the part that used to eat editors entire weeks. Scroll down, click Start Video Generation. The system lays out the full production plan first, every scene, every shot count, before it renders a single frame. You get 2 routes: generate everything at once or step by step. For speed, all at once. And there it is, your full story, animated, automatically. Want a soundtrack? One click on Generate BGM and the system scores the entire video for you. Click Add Media to Timeline, switch from Canvas to the Timeline tab at the top. Your whole video laid out end to end. Hit Preview, watch it run, start to finish. If it holds up, head to Export. Adjust encoding settings if needed, hit Export. Done. Save directly to your device.
Oh no. No, no, no.
We're going to miss it! Move!
Conduis-moi par ici. Pardon, pardon, désolé. Pardon, madame. Pardon, monsieur.
Keep up, sweetie. Almost there.
Platform? Gister? Gressler?
I told you it was left.
That's the entire system. Blank page to a finished animated story. No team, no editing software, no face on camera, no upfront cost. But here's the part that should actually bother you. This niche is still wide open. The competition hasn't caught up yet. Every week you sit on this is a week someone else claims the ground first. The Anijam AI link is below. Sign up, grab your free credits, build your first story today.